Writing copy for your business website can take a lot of time and effort, especially when you're aiming for high conversions. But with the help of tools like ChatGPT, you can speed up that process without sacrificing quality. Hello everyone, I'm Wasim Bashir. I'm the founder of Apexia, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I'm building the service page for my project website, conversive.com, and I'll do this step by step. I'll walk you through how I create headlines, subheadings in different sections, and even plan the design, while keeping it aligned with my Conversive brand. Make sure to watch it till the end. I've got a bonus resource to help you create better converting pages for your business website. Let's dive in. So now we have our homepage. We need obviously more pages on the website. We will be starting with a service page, and within that service page we'll have other pages which we will add in the future. I have my ChatGPT on the right side, and I already have loaded all the mission statement, all the copy which we wrote previously, and all the testimonials which I have received from different clients, and there's a lot of value proposition which is already in memory now. So the idea is now to ask ChatGPT to come up with these service pages, but obviously keeping in line with Conversive. We don't want to just write any copy. We want it to be very specific to the brand. So I asked a very simple question. Let's get back to writing copy for the service page. And it was clever enough to give me a few services which we can talk about. For example, conversion optimized website design. That's one of the core services we're going to offer. Landing page design and optimization is not what I want to offer through Conversive, because that's something which we offer through Apexia, which is our landing page agency. And then conversion rate optimization, yes, and ongoing website maintenance and support, yes. So I would start first with the service conversion optimized website design. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to expand the first service. So obviously ChatGPT is going to go through and write copy in a very structured approach, but we can't just copy paste this exact content. We need to be mindful about what kind of template which we're working with. And if you remember earlier when I mentioned that we actually didn't obviously design this website from scratch, we are using a template. So this is the template inside Webflow, and I have on the right side I have a tab which shows Conversive as of now. So this is Conversive using the right copy, but I do have access to the template, and in this template there are different variations for the homepage. And I prefer this homepage 03, or actually homepage 02 for this the service page. So I'm going to adapt now this copy to this layout. So I know it's going to be tricky because obviously there's text which is limiting, and there are sections which don't make sense. So we'll have to play along. And at least we have ChatGPT, so which is great. So yeah, ChatGPT was able to put all this together. Let's now break it down piece by piece, and I'm going to copy that into a Google Doc, which I can then pass on to my team. So let's start with a headline. I'm going to first count exactly how many characters there are in this headline so that we come up with something similar. So let's see. So it's about 6 words. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT. So websites built to drive conversions, transforming web traffic into tangible growth, designing websites that deliver results, create websites that convert and grow. So I think I like this one. Rather than just saying create websites that convert and grow, I would say we create websites that convert and grow. So I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, and this is the one which I've been using to write the copy for the homepage and about us page. So now let's start the service page. So I'm going to first copy the headline, but I'm going to name this for my web developer so that they understand this is a service page. So I'm going to mark this as heading 2. Okay, so on the left side, as you can see, we can then expand different tabs here. So with conversion optimized web design, this is on the same kind of line as an about us page. So that's the page which we're talking about. So I'm going to call this a service page, and then this is the headline. So I'm going to mark it as, let's say, headline 3, so that it comes under the main page. So now we need, if you go back to the template, we need these blurbs for testimonials. So I've already loaded ChatGPT with all the testimonials. So we have a tab called a sheet called Apex Testimonial Matrix. These are all the testimonials which I've collected over the years. So I've already imported them inside ChatGPT just by attaching the file. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, so boosted our conversion rates, exceeded all our expectations, transformed traffic into leads. Conversion skyrocketed, exceeded expectations, traffic to leads. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to copy this, put it again inside my Google Doc, and I'm going to mark this as heading 5, and then the web developer would be able to understand how this has to be used. But if I have to make it like very obvious, I have another trick up my sleeve. So next I'll ask ChatGPT to come up with a subheading. So we design conversion focused websites that this is very similar to the headline which we already have. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, but we don't need like a very long headline, so I'm going to limit the words to 8. Tailored for user engagement, built for results. So built for engagement, optimized for growth, crafted to convert, engage users, drive measurable results effortlessly, designed to turn visitors into leads and grow consistently. I think this is what I like. So I'm going to use this as a subheading and put it up here under my heading. So as we know, this is headline 3. I'm going to use headline 4 just to keep it consistent. So in order for my developer to understand exactly what this is, I'm going to take a screen grab of this template so they know exactly these are the 3 blurbs which go under here, and that's the headline, and this is the subheading. So then they don't have to like figure out how to do this. So let's move on to the next step. So more than 2,000 businesses trust us to maximize growth. This is pretty good. We already have those many customers, so we will be able to replace some of the logos. And then we're not just another template, we are the best choice. I don't like this. We are not just templates, we are your conversion experts. Custom solutions, proven results, we are the experts. Not just design, we create high converting websites. Beyond templates, we deliver growth. Not just templates, we build results. I really like this. Beyond templates, we deliver growth. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my Google Doc, paste it in here, and then I'm going to mark this as headline 3 because I think this is quite a big headline on this section. Okay, and now we have these 2 sections. So I'm going to create a table with 2 columns, and that way I can explain to the developer the kind of text I want to keep. So I would put this in the middle so that it kind of matches this layout. So what can we do here? So I would like to have a chart which shows, there's already a chart. So I want to write some kind of headline and subheading which explains that our websites are sales machines. So something along those lines. So these are about 8 words. Let's count subheading, 20 words. Conversion focused websites that boost your bottom line. Designed to engage visitors and drive conversions, our website turn traffic into leads and sales, growing your business. I think that's pretty simple because we can then use the exact same chart and then keep that heading and subheading. I like that. So I'm going to copy this. unbold this text. So that looks quite similar to what we have here. And then on the right side, we will talk about beautiful websites in a few clicks with conversion, leverage agile frameworks to provide a robust synopsis for high level overviews, blah, blah, blah. Let's ask ChatGPT. Data-driven optimization. Your website is never static. We continuously monitor user behavior, blah, 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 maximize conversions. This is pretty good, but I want it to be short and I want it to be in that same exact format. So I'm going to say, so maximize conversions and fuel business growth online. But no, that's not what it did. It kind of used the previous text and now has talked about like, no. I want to focus on this particular instance, what it wrote here. So I'm going to actually use this and quote it and say, yeah, data-driven websites for consistent conversion growth. We continuously optimize your site using real-time data to boost conversions and drive long-term business. I think this is perfect because that also goes with that image, because you see people coming in, spending money, for example, and that image is relevant to this text. So this is pretty cool. I'm happy with this. And just to kind of share this, obviously this is the first time we're putting this website together. It's going to go iteratively into a process where we'll continuously improve it. But right now, the whole point is to put an MVP in place. And once it's live, once it's there, we will start updating the copy, make it more relevant and, professional. I don't want to be stuck right now. I don't want to be in this position where I'm just lingering on thinking about how to put this brand together. I'm just making progress. That's the whole point. So the next section, I really like, so I want to keep it, and I want to ask ChatGPT, our 4-step CRO design process. Discover, we analyze your current website, target audience and goals to identify key opportunities. Design, we create wireframes and mockups, optimize for user experience and high conversion rates. We implement A/B testing and monitor performance to determine the best design elements for conversions. For optimize, use real-time data. We refine the design continuously to boost conversions and drive results. I think I like the first one because it was clever enough because I uploaded all our processes. I gave it access to my YouTube video where I talked about how we do stuff. So it was smart to put this together, which is really cool. The only thing which I would change here is we actually we actually build the website first. We don't test it straight away. So the 4-step would include discover, design, build, and then promote. So the CRO is not part of the build process. So actually, I might have not given it the right input. So okay, so now our 4-step CRO focused website build process. Actually, this should say design and build process, but I can tweak that. So discover, design, build, launch. Great. This is brilliant. This is exactly what I want. So I'm going to copy this, put it in our Google Doc. So I'm going to tidy this up. So design and build process. So this could be headline 3, and the process is discover, design, build, and launch. So just like previous example, I'm going to take a screen grab, put it just above this section here, so the developer knows exactly what to change. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this whole process over and over again for all these steps, but I hope you get the gist, and you can easily build pages like this based on a template which you've selected. Let me finish this and let's get over with this very quickly. Okay, so now I have everything here in this document for our first service page. I'm going to transfer this over to my developer and they can start building it and updating it on the website. Now here's the bonus I promised. I'm giving you 2 powerful resources to help you create better converting pages faster. Headline creation prompt, format and to boost your conversion rates instantly, and ChatGPT prompts for writing magnetic subheadlines. You can find the links to both resources in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. And if you want to delve deeper and learn how to create a custom ChatGPT model or utilize ChatGPT for lead generation and nurturing, then check out the other videos appearing on your screen now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.